Foundation repair coverage in insurance can be super tricky, and whether you're covered or not really depends on your specific policy and what caused the damage. So, here's the deal. First off, most homeowners insurance plans usually do not cover foundation repair if it's just normal wear and tear or the house settling over time, which is kinda annoying but true. But if the foundation got messed up because of something like a burst pipe, which is often covered, then you might be in luck. Flood insurance is a whole other thing. If your foundation problems come from flooding and you have that policy, some repairs could be covered. Earthquake insurance is another special case. If your foundation cracked because of an earthquake and you have that extra coverage, it might pay for repairs too. Always keep in mind that if the damage happened because of neglect or you didn't keep up with maintenance, your insurance probably won't help out. It's super important to read your policy carefully and talk directly with your insurance agent so you know exactly what's included. Also, take pictures and keep records of any foundation damage as soon as you spot it. That will make your claim way easier to handle. Lastly, don't hesitate to get a professional opinion on the damage to back up your insurance claim. One of the biggest mistakes people make with foundation repair insurance claims is not understanding their policy's fine print, which leads to denied claims. Fix this by asking your agent detailed questions up front. Another common issue is waiting too long to report damage or start repairs. Insurers might deny claims if they think the problem got worse because you ignored it, so act fast when you notice problems. A third big problem is not documenting everything properly. No photos, no repair estimates, no professional assessments, which makes it hard to prove the damage and get coverage. Make sure you keep thorough records from day one. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by helping homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who specialize in foundation, repair, and other big home jobs. For contractors, it's a great place to find real clients looking for work, so everyone wins.